Do you want to make money on YouTube without making videos? If so, you're in the right place. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can start making money on YouTube without having to make any videos yourself. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when I come out with more videos showing you how you can start making money on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So here's the first example channel that I wanted to show you guys today. And the niche that I'm actually talking about is the affirmation niche. You can actually make money on YouTube by running an affirmation channel. Now, what is an affirmation channel? You might have already seen channels like this on YouTube, but you probably didn't know that they could potentially be making a lot of money. And an affirmation channel is a channel like this. It's a channel that produces super long videos, like 8 hours long sometimes. And the purpose of them is to inspire you or program your subconscious mind, all this kind of stuff, as you can see right here. Abundance affirmations while you sleep, program your subconscious mind, attract wealth and prosperity while you sleep. As you can see, there are these types of videos and they actually get a ton of views. As you can see, 1.7 million views, 1.5 million views. These have all got over 1 million views in the past year. And as you can see, if we go to the Social Blade stats for this particular channel, this channel is getting 800,000 views a month. I would estimate this channel is at least making multiple $1,000s a month just from ads if they have ads on their channel. And here's yet another channel doing this exact same thing. As you can see, if we go to the Social Blade stats of this channel, 500,000 views per month. And here's yet another channel doing this, 35,000 subscribers, called Positive Affirmations. And here's yet another channel. This one was really shocking. 55,000 subscribers. As you can see, if we take a look at the Social Blade stats of this channel, 100,000 views a month. But what's even more shocking is the fact that they haven't uploaded anything in 4 years. And there's a total of only 4 videos on this channel, and they haven't uploaded in 4 years, yet they're still getting 100,000 views a month on their channel. So right about now, you're probably wondering what these videos actually consist of. So if we take a look at one of these videos right here, as you can see, 42 morning affirmations to kickstart your day. Let's take a look at this video. And I just want to point out real quick before we look at this video, take a look at this. Each of their videos have over 100,000 views, and they literally only have 4 videos on their entire channel. Like, look at this, literally only 4 videos. They haven't uploaded a video in 4 years, and every video has over 100,000 views, 2 of which have over 1 million views. As you can see, 1.6 million views and 3.5 million views. So let's take a look at their most popular video, 42 morning affirmations to kickstart your day, 3.2 million views. And as you can see, there's simply an intro at the beginning of the video. You can pay someone $5 on Fiverr to make an intro like this. And then after this, there's music in the background of the video. And then somebody doing a narration, doing a voiceover, saying a bunch of different affirmations. And you can literally find affirmations to use in your own videos just by going to popular affirmation channels like this, seeing the ones that they show, or just looking them up on Google, but make sure you write them in your own words. And as you can see, there's simply stock footage in the background of these videos with text on the video with the person saying each of these different affirmations. And these videos are incredibly easy to generate or pay other people to make these videos completely. I personally run 9 different YouTube channels, and there's no way I could do it if I was running each channel myself. The way I'm able to run 9 different YouTube channels is by paying other people to make the videos for me. And this is actually how you can start making money on YouTube without even making videos. And now you're probably asking, how much money would it realistically take to make one of these videos? If we go to Fiverr.com and we search affirmation, as you can see, there's tons of different gigs that people are offering starting at only $5 to literally just come up with affirmations. As you can see, I will record professional, powerful affirmation voiceover, and there's tons of these different affirmation gigs starting at only $5 on Fiverr. What you can do is pay people $5 to do these affirmations, loop these affirmations on a video, and simply upload these videos to YouTube. And then, because I want to give you guys as much value as I possibly can, let me show you where you can actually get backgrounds to use in your videos. Because if we take a look at this video right here, as you can see, there's backgrounds in the videos. There's these kind of stock video backgrounds. You're probably wondering, where can I actually get these backgrounds? And that's a super valid question, and I want to provide as much value as I possibly can. So the number one place that I recommend going to is a website called Pixabay.com, and it's a place where you can find completely free videos, pictures, vector graphics, all this kind of stuff that you can use in your videos for completely free, and most of it is no attribution required either. So for example, take a look at this. This is a video of the ocean. So if we go to Pixabay.com and we select videos from this drop down right here, and then we search ocean, as you can see, there's going to be a ton of completely free ocean videos that we can download for completely free, very similar to the stock videos in the background of this video right here. So let's say, for example, we wanted to download this video right here. To do so, we simply click the video, and then we select this green button right here, free download, and you can download a full HD version of this video for completely free. Just click that button right there. And then you'll also notice that these videos have music in the background of their videos, and you're probably wondering, where can I get music without having to deal with copyright or any of that kind of stuff? I just want to put music in the background of my videos. And to do that, because I want to give you as much value as possible, what I recommend is going to youtube.com/audio library. This is a completely free audio library provided by YouTube in which you can go and download any of these songs for completely free to use in your YouTube videos. And I always recommend selecting attribution not required from this dropdown, and this enables you not to have to give a shout out to the person who actually made this music. You can simply take this music and put it on your own videos for free. So you simply go here, and I would recommend selecting from mood right here, selecting inspirational, and these are all inspirational songs that you can use in your video for completely free. And you just have to select the download button from the right hand side right here. Download songs and stock footage to your computer from Pixabay.com and the YouTube audio library, and then simply go to Fiverr, hire people to record affirmations for you, or you can find affirmations on Google or write your own affirmations, and then you can simply pay people on Fiverr to do voiceovers as well. This would probably be a more cost-efficient method. So if you go to Fiverr, search voiceover, as you can see, there's just tons of these voiceover gigs on Fiverr in which you can simply pay people $5 and they'll do a voiceover. So what I would recommend doing to get the most out of your money is to hire the person who will do the most words for the cheapest price. And then find affirmations on Google, rewrite them in your own words, or pay people on Fiverr to write the affirmations for you and make this whole video content creation machine. And this is what I actually have in place on 8 of my 9 different YouTube channels that I run, and enables me to make money on YouTube without ever showing my face and without ever making videos. The only work I have to do is uploading and optimizing the videos. So if you're on board and you want to do this, but you want to make sure that you do it right, I actually have a course that I provide at the link in the description if you want to check it out. It shows my exact step-by-step method for starting and scaling hyper-profitable YouTube channels from complete scratch. It's all the knowledge I've learned on my 5 years on YouTube. It's how I blew up a channel from 0 to 500,000 subscribers in a single year, and more importantly, how you can do the same for yourself and build a real business on YouTube. So if you're interested in the course, link is down below, and also check out this video right here that's going to show you how you can start making money on YouTube with a really weird niche. Another really weird niche that you probably never thought that you could make money on YouTube in without even making videos. And check out that video right here. It's going to show you how you can start making money on YouTube without ever making videos in another really weird niche. So check that out right there. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.